My dear students, Assalamu alaikum to you all. Hope you are all well by the grace of Allah. And now you are continuing your studies as well. And I advise you to continue your studies at your own home. Today, you are welcome to my English class. I would like to introduce myself. I am Muhammad Abdul Wadud, Assistant Teacher of English, Saleha Ishaq Government Girls High School, Shirazganj. Here is a picture you can see. It's a picture of 1990. So it is a picture of past time. Here is also another picture. The picture shows the activities of 2020. So it is a present action. Here is also another picture. The picture shows the activities of 2041. So it is an action of future. So can you imagine the topic of today? Our today's topic is tense. We would learn something on tense. Learning outcomes. By the end of this lesson, the students will be able to write sentences in different tenses and use the right form of verbs. What is tense? Can you tell me? And I hope you know it very well because you have learned it from class 6. Tense indicates time of an action. Here are some examples. I go to school regularly. I went to Dhaka yesterday. I shall go to Kumilla tomorrow. Here the words written in red indicate time of action. Tense is of three kinds, you know. They are present tense, past tense, and future tense. Each tense is classified into four, and these are present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. In the same way, past tense is of also four kinds. They are past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect, past perfect continuous. In the same way, future tense is also of four kinds, and they are future indefinite, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Today we will discuss on present tense. What is present tense? I think you know it very well. Present tense indicates an action that takes place in present time. Present tense is also of four types, and they are present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Present indefinite tense. Here is a picture of rising sun. The sentence is, the sun rises in the east. Here is also another picture of children to go to school. They go to school regularly. So present tense, present indefinite tense means universal truth, the action that is usual and the action that takes place regularly. The structure of present indefinite tense is subject plus present form of verb plus extension. Here is a chart of a verb. The verb is eat. Eat is the present form of verb and its past form is ate and past participle form is eaten. So the example of present indefinite tense is I eat rice. Here the structure is subject plus present form of verb. Here I is subject and it is the present form of verb. Keep in mind, we add s or es with the base form of verb if the subject is third person and singular number. Here is an example, I eat rice. Here the subject is not a third person singular number, so no s or es is added with it. But in the second example, he eats rice. Here the subject is third person and singular number, so an s has been added with the root form of verb eat. Individual work. Identify the sentences that are written in present indefinite tense. Here are some examples. Number 1 is I like tea. Number 2, he is an intelligent boy. Number 3, he came to Dhaka yesterday. Number 4, what is your food? And number 5, we had a cow. So, which sentences are written in present indefinite tense? Guess yourself and match with the answer. The answer is number 1, number 2 and number 4 are the example of present indefinite tense. Present continuous tense. Here is a picture. He is running fast. Here is another picture. She is sleeping on the cot. So, we can say that present continuous tense indicates an action that is taking place. Keep in mind about the present continuous tense. The words gradually, day by day, step by step, now, at this moment, indicate present continuous tense. The structure of present continuous tense is subject plus am is are plus verb plus ing plus extension. For example, I am improving gradually. Here, gradually is present in the sentence, so the sentence is present continuous tense, so am improving has been used. Now, present perfect tense. Here is a picture of a boy. He is Johnny. He visited the doctor in January. He also visited the doctor in March. So Johnny says that I have visited the doctor 2 times. So present perfect tense means an action that is finished, but the result is not finished yet. Give an attention to the information. The sentence that contains already, recently, just now, yet, ever, never is in present perfect tense. The structure of present perfect tense is subject plus have or has plus past participle form of verb plus extension. The example of present perfect tense is I have already finished my homework. Now, present perfect continuous tense. Here is a picture, and here is another picture. The first picture is of morning. The rain started in morning and continued till evening. So we can say that it has been raining since morning. So present perfect tense means an action that is taking place for some time. The structure of present perfect continuous tense is subject plus have oblique has plus been plus base form of verb plus ing plus for oblique since plus time. Here is a picture of teaching the students. According to the structure of the sentence. The sentence is, I have been working as a teacher since 2002. Now we will move to assessment whether you have learned about all the forms of present tense. Fill in the gaps with the right form of verb. Here are some examples. You will have to fill up the gaps with the right form of verb according to the rules. Number 1, he dash to school regularly. Here regularly is present in the sentence, so the right form of verb will be goes. In the second sentence, already has been used in the sentence, so the right form of verb will be I have already solved the sum. Now, in sentence number 3, for plus time has been used. So the right form of verb will be I have been reading for 2 hours. Sentence number 4, now is present in the sentence, so it will be what are you doing now? Sentence number 4, the right form of verb of be will be is. So the sentence is, what is your name? Now I will give you a homework. Write 4 sentences using present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Now I think you have gathered a little bit knowledge on present tense, that is the 4 forms of present tense. You will have to study more and more on tenses by yourself. So thank you all for today. We will meet you again in the next class, and we will learn in that class about the 4 forms of past tense. I think and I hope you will join the class again. Till then, goodbye to you all. Thank you very much for joining with me.